Namaskar, welcome to AIMS Bhubaneswar. We all are fighting the battle against COVID-19 pandemic worldwide. This video gives information about various human resource development programs being conducted as a part of COVID-19 preparedness at AIMS Bhubaneswar. The common areas for the training for all the staff are COVID-19 awareness, the social stigma associated with it, prevention of transmission of the infection through hand hygiene, mask usage, social distancing, cough and sneezing etiquettes, etc., personal protective equipment usage like donning and doffing, biomedical waste management, counseling with team motivation. Moving ahead, more than 300 housekeeping staff have been trained in various housekeeping activities like surface cleaning of frequently touched surfaces, preparation of sodium hypochlorite solution, cleaning and disinfection of the wards, OTs and ICUs, etc. Dirty linen management and biomedical waste management like double layer packaging, transportation in dedicated trolleys, cleaning and disinfection of the waste bins, trolleys, and the vehicle used for COVID-19 wastes. Further, more than 40 hospital attendants have undergone training in patient care, surface cleaning of equipments, beds, COVID sample transportation, etc. Nearly 200 security personnel have been trained for crowd management, ensuring social distancing, restriction of patients, relative and attendants, ensuring usage of mask by everyone, prohibiting spitting and usage of tobacco products inside the hospital, as well as ensuring screening of all the patients visiting the hospital. Coming to the technician, phlebotomist and radiographers, more than 60 of them have undergone training in infection control practices, sample collection, sample transportation, sample receiving, processing and its disposal, as well as special training for the radiographers for conducting radiological investigation for the COVID-19 suspect and confirmed cases. Moving ahead, more than 500 nursing officers have undergone training in infection control practices, patient education, receiving, management, transfer and discharge of COVID-19 suspect and positive cases, critical care management including ventilator usage, crash cart and cardiopulmonary resuscitation, etc. They also have been trained specially for COVID-19 waste segregation and dead body management. Moving ahead, more than 200 residents are trained in infection control practices, screening of patients, management of respiratory patients in the wards and ICUs, which includes cardiopulmonary resuscitation, intubation, ventilator management, patient hemodynamic, etc. They also have been trained in nasopharyngeal and oropharyngeal swab collection for COVID-19 testing. Moving ahead, more than 150 faculty have undergone training in infection control practices, handling emergency surgeries and deliveries under the COVID-19 protocols. They also are trained in critical care management, which includes ventilator usage and other services like telemedicine. Coming to the webinars and teleconferencing activities, various departments like microbiology, pulmonary medicine, anesthesiology, medical education unit, and College of Nursing are conducting academic activities through the webinars. A special module on pregnancy and abortion care during the COVID-19 pandemic was organized by Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology in Odia language for the general public. The Department of Microbiology have conducted mentorship program for more than 30 medical colleges in Odisha and West Bengal with training on COVID-19 sample collection, testing, reporting, interpretation and biosafety measures. The Human Resource Development Program will continue for the COVID-19 preparedness at AIIMS Bhubaneswar to win over this pandemic. As someone rightly said that victory needs preparation. Thank you.